This is an exciting night, folks. We're going to be opening up another Sole Supremacy Beater Box. We do this quite often on the channel. You've probably seen a couple of them if you have ever watched the channel. If not, then welcome. I'm Sailboat.
And I'm Lola.
And here's a mystery box unboxing. I had bought two beater boxes on the same day. One was $1,100, one was $925. And at the end of opening the $925 box, we were both convinced it was the $1,100 box because of how good it was. But based off of how good that one was, kind of have high hopes for this box.
We're pretty pumped to see what's in here.
Very excited. Let's open up this box. There are some good looking things in this box right off the top. Lola, what are we looking at first?
He typically starts his show with the Lucy's.
I guess we're starting with the Lucy's. The Lucy's are, whoa.
13 and a half.
Size 13 and a half, no way.
People are gonna love this though. When you go to your shows, they always go, where's the big sizes? And then we're always like, there they are, but there's nothing like fire over there. They're gonna be like, yeah, finally, my size.
This material is like weird. It's plasticky. And look at the swoosh. What's up with the swoosh here too?
The swoosh is definitely weird. I don't notice it as much on the rest.
Something going on with this shoe. I can't quite place it.
The swoosh is weird. I wouldn't have noticed it right away until you pointed it out.
Well, they're also supposed to be from 01. So maybe this is the Bred 1 highs from 01. Man, these are...
If that's the case, they're not in terrible condition.
Yeah, it's an older shoe, so it's a 20-year-old shoe. And they're in like stellar condition for being that old. I don't know, it's just like the material is really throwing me off. It's a really weird feeling material in my opinion. At any rate, a size 13 and a half. Jordan 1 Bred. That's pretty dope. 2001 in relatively good condition minus the swooshes.
Got some big feet for those shoes.
Yeah, what a way to start the box. Got an orange Nike box, size 10 and a half. A Nike
Golf.
Cortez. It's Forrest Gump's right here.
No way.
I'm not mistaken, right? I think.
Want to know a fun fact? Sailboat's never seen that movie.
I've never seen Forrest Gump. These look to be dead stuff. Wow. This is like nice leather. That's what I'm talking about. Like this leather is super supple. This is a really nice material right here. I think that this is like what I'm expecting when I'm getting Jordan 1, especially in the Bred. Like, damn. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping, but
I think he's tripping.
It's a Nike Cortez in maybe tried on condition. Hard to say. Probably listed as new with flaws. Which box next, Lola?
Yeezy! Because it might be my size. It's not going to be my size.
Size 8 and a half. The tag says white, sea black, and red. I'm gonna guess the zebras.
I think that's a pretty good guess.
Oh, wow. Amazing condition. Super lightly worn.
Very lightly.
Really, really good. No really serious drag on them whatsoever. Maybe worn a couple of times. A little bit of discoloration. But going up on the actual like midsole portion, they look really good. A couple of scuffs that could easily be buffed out. The uppers look flawless though.
Are the heels always this cushioned?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so funny because I own a pair and I don't think not zebras, but I own a pair of 350s. I don't think I've ever realized that.
This is one of the re-releases. This is the 2019 re-release.
Nice.
It's
Good
a
pair.
Very good pair to pick up right here. We're 3 for 3 right now with good pairs in this box. There's still like 5 boxes left, so it looks like a total of 8 pairs. It's kind of cool looking box. I've actually never seen this box before, so I'm excited to open this one, honestly. Nike Zoom KD3 All-Star in an 11. And you can see as you tilt the box, the scene kind of changes.
Oh, no way!
Yeah, that's pretty cool. So we start off with a really dope box. Ta-da!
These look like a ball shoe.
It's a KD.
What's that mean?
Kevin Durant.
Who's that?
He's a ball player. These are, jeez.
Are these dead stock?
These are hardly worn.
I feel like they're like, they might be dead stock.
Very,
I think they're just
very
dusty.
difficult to say. They may be dead stock, you're right. This is crazy.
Whoa!
Yeah, the back of it is really neat. It's almost like a video game setup, except for it's KD 35. So it's Kevin Durant, KD, and 35. These are potentially unworn condition.
Yeah, I think so. So it's funny, when I first saw this material here, before we took it out of the box, I was like, oh, is that see-through material? And then when we grabbed it, I'm like, oh no, it's not.
4 down, 4 to go. Let's find out what's next. Red Nike box. These are a size 9. Lola, what model are these?
I don't know, what are they? Air Max 97. I never get the Air Max numbers right.
Yeah.
I totally guessed. You know what this looks like to me?
What's it look like to you?
A great customization.
Yeah, it looks like a lot of work if I wanted to customize it.
Are they dead stock as well? They are.
They also look dead stock. This is crazy. Another box with like a whole bunch of dead stock stuff in it. Actually, these might not be too customizable. These might be 3M.
What's that mean? Oh,
The reflective stuff, yeah. I can't tell for sure. We'll have to shine a light on it to see. Yeah, there's a pretty good portion of the shoe that is 3M. So if these were to be customized, we'd probably have to leave the 3M as is. It's a dead stock pair, so it might be an easy move. Orange Nike box here. Wow.
is that a good wow?
Yeah.
Or not good wow?
We got a Kobe and a size 10. This is another, oh my god, I think this is dead stock. Comes with this bag right here. This is a really cool bag actually. Holy hell.
The swag
I don't
bag.
even know if that's actually like discoloration or what.
I think it's intentional.
There's a lot going on here. It's crazy. It's a cool shoe. This is a really cool shoe. Whoever designed these did a really great job with them actually. Cool colorway, kind of like a cream Kobe. Not too shabby. Dead stock too. Holy cow.
Why is that cool again? What happened with Kobe and Nike?
There's not going to be any more Nike Kobe
And
stuff
this is
happening.
a dead stock pair?
Apparently.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's a good thing to have on hand. That's crazy. We might not see any more Nike Kobe's. It's possible. And if that's the case, I have a couple of Kobe things in the collection, which is pretty wild to think about because I haven't had any Kobe stuff in for like quite some time. Yeah, it's been a little while. 2
more left in this box.
2 more pairs.
And it's an Adidas.
Size 9.5. It's got to be dead stock too.
Faux show. Ultraboosts are for sure one of my favorite types of sneakers to wear because of the comfort. You can stand in them for a long time and it won't be uncomfy.
It's a triple black colorway from 2020. These might be like the Ultraboost DNAs. These are 100% dead stock condition. These look amazing. They are crazy lightweight. They feel really breathable, really flexible material.
I love these shoes. Like I love Ultraboosts. I would love to have more. Not necessarily that I want all black. I'd have you soul swap them or something.
Size 9.5 Ultraboost. I want to say it's the DNA version from 2020.
Good pickup. Alright, we got 1 more pair left in this box. How are you feeling so far?
I like the box a lot. I think it's already well over the marker based off of what we have here.
See, my limited knowledge, if we had opened this box first, I would have said it was the cheaper box.
I can definitely see that argument. This last pair here is a pair of New Balances. So that's interesting. I guess we'll see. Size women's 13. And we just have these gray 993s. Were you expecting something like super exciting?
I was, honestly. I was.
Dead stock condition. For some reason, I believe that these are actually like worth something.
Really?
Yeah.
Why? Not to be rude.
I don't know. I think there's some sort of collab or hype. It's the Heritage Collection. If you look at the insole, USA on the heel. The materials are holy fucking smokes. The materials are nice. Dead stock condition, size 13 women's, which is probably either an 11.5 men's or 12 men's. This box for an $1,100 box, which is a little bit more after some change for shipping, $25 shipping I believe, and whatever taxes were. Nice box though.
A lot of dead stock, which is awesome.
I can't complain though. This is a a very solid box.
It's gonna be interesting because a lot of this I'm sure you know about, but a lot of this I don't know about, so the value could be a lot more than what meets the eye.
And I think that we're going to be pleasantly surprised once we start to run the numbers and figure out how much everything is worth. It's going to be run the numbers and plug the numbers basically and see what we can get on a return, but this is a very, very solid box. And I think that's pretty much it.
Look alive, kid.
Hey, I'm very alive.
I'm the one yawning.
Yeah, geez, I'm doing great. Good box, $1,100 plus a little bit of change after shipping and tax. I'm very pleased with it, but I want to hear what you guys have to say about this box.
Leave it in the comments below.
That's where you got to do it. Right below. There's comments. Put yours in. We want to hear what you have to say. Thank you guys for watching until the cold bitter end of this video, but it is time for us to get up on out of here. I'm Sailboat.
Lola.
We're out of here today. Peace.